Hello friends, my name is Sangmesh Marge, and in previous fun class with permutations we covered when all objects are distinct questions. Now in this class we are going to cover when R objects or from the N objects are same. So let's start. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using the letters of the word equation? Okay. In the previous class, we played with the numbers. Now we are playing with alphabets. Okay. So if you observe, all the alphabets are distinct. Now, what is the question? Please understand. अभी इसको इक्वेशन को आपको रीअरेंज करना है और पॉसिबल नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स निकालना है. So, how to solve these type of questions? See, again, I'm not going to use a single formula for this. Okay, so first count how many letters are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total we have 8 letters. Total we have 8 letters. Okay, now 8 letters hai. So you have to use all the letters here. You have to use all the letters. किसी को छोड़ना है क्या? नहीं छोड़ना है. कोई एक्स्ट्रा लेना है? नहीं एक्स्ट्रा लेना है. अगर एग्जामिनर यहाँ पे इक्वेशन की स्पेलिंग ऐसे दे EQUTION, ठीक है, ज़्यादा स्मार्ट मत बनो और उसको करेक्ट मत करो. जो एग्जामिनर स्पेलिंग दिया उसको यूज़ करो. ठीक है, जितना दिया है उतना ही करना है, ज़्यादा नहीं करना है. ज़्यादा करोगे तो फंसोगे. ठीक है, जितना दिया है उतना ही करना है, लेकिन स्मार्ट वे में करना है. So equation total 8 places we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. For the first question we'll take a few minutes. Okay, after that we'll solve all the questions within a minute. Okay, so tell me this 8th place can be filled in how many ways. ये 8th place को कितने ऑप्शंस है. यहाँ पे आप ई यूज कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे क्यू यूज कर सकते हो, और यू कैन यूज UATION. आई कैन यूज एनी अल्फाबेट हियर, एनी लेटर आई कैन यूज. सो आई हैव इन टोटल 8 ऑप्शंस. सपोज यू हैव यूज्ड A हियर. नाउ हाउ मेनी यू कैन यूज हियर? 7. ठीक है, क्यू यूज किया, अभी कितना है? 6. सपोज आई यूज किया, अभी कितना है? 5. सपोज O गया, अभी 4, देन 3, देन 2, देन 1. ओके, now again what we have done in previous class, number of options लिया और उसको multiply किया है. So if you see this is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is nothing but 8 factorial, which is nothing but 8 factorial. Okay, means what? N distinct objects, n distinct objects can be arranged in n factorial ways. All are distinct है ना. इक्वेशन मतलब इन इक्वेशन ऑल आर डिस्टिंक्ट अल्फाबेट्स. सो सबको ही अरेंज करना है, एन डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स को अरेंज करना है. सो द आंसर विल बी व्हाट? एन ऑब्जेक्ट. सपोज वी हैव 10 distinct objects and we want to arrange all of them. So answer will be what? 10 factorial. Suppose आपके पास 1000 distinct objects है. Okay, in how many ways you can do this? 1000 factorial. ठीक है ना. So this is what? This is a very very simple question without any condition. So इसमें condition आ सकते हैं क्या? Yes, definitely. Let's see. How many words can be formed using the letters of the word equation so that word starts with U? U से ही start करना है word को. Total we have counted already कि वहाँ पे total 8 letters है. U से स्टार्ट करना है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. U से स्टार्ट करना है. यहाँ पे एक ही ऑप्शन रहेगा. नाउ यू हैव हाउ मेनी डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स? आउट ऑफ दीज 8 ऑब्जेक्ट्स यू हैव यूज्ड दिस U. नाउ हाउ मेनी डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर रिमेनिंग? 7. अभी सबको अरेंज करना है. यहाँ पे 7 डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स को अरेंज करना है. So in how many ways you can do that? 7 factorial ways. Okay, so what is answer? So 1 into 7 factorial, which is nothing but 7 factorial, which is nothing but 5040. Okay, so कंडीशन किस पे उसको पहला फिल करो, बाकी के रिमेनिंग how many distinct objects in how many ways you can arrange. So answer is 5040. Next question. How many words can be formed using the letters of the word equation? Same. See what I am doing. I am using same word, but we are having different conditions here. So that word should starts with consonant. Okay. अभी इसके लिए पहला consonant and vowels पता होना चाहिए. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. These are my vowels. Consonants are what? जो vowels नहीं है वो सब consonants है. 26 minus these 5, which are nothing but 21 consonants we have in total. Okay, so in this question the condition is what? So that word should start with consonant से साथ start होना चाहिए. So in this equation please first note down what are the vowels and what are the consonants. Vowels कौन कौन है? E is a vowel, E is vowel, U, A. So E, U, A, I, O. These are my vowels. Now what are the consonants? जो भी बाकी है, बाकी के जो है बाकी Q है, T है, N. These are my consonants. Okay. अभी जो word है ना वो number should start with consonant. So total कितने places है अपने पास? अभी इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए अपने को. ठीक है, टोटल कितने? 8 प्लेसेस है. टोटल 8 प्लेसेस है. उसमें से पहले पोजीशन पे ही सिर्फ कंडीशन दिया है. सो पहला पोजीशन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ओके, पहले पोजीशन को ही सिर्फ कंडीशन दिया है. वो कंडीशन यू कैन हैव एनी ऑफ दीज 3. सो यू हैव टोटल 3 ऑप्शंस. बाकी में कंडीशन है क्या? नहीं है ना. यू हैव यूज्ड ओनली वन आउट ऑफ दीज 3. सो बाकी के 7 बाकी है ना. So these 7 distinct objects can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. So what is your answer then? So final answer is what? 3 factorial into 7 factorial. So this is a final answer. So which is nothing but 3 into 5040, which is nothing but 02151. Okay. So I hope you understand this. If same question I ask, what if the word starts with vowel? अगर वॉवल के साथ मुझे नंबर को स्टार्ट करना है, वॉवल के साथ नंबर को स्टार्ट करना है, तो क्या होगा? वॉवल्स कितने हैं अपने पास? 1 2 3 4 5. सो यहाँ पे 3 की जगह पे 5 आएगा. सो 5 वॉवल्स वी हैव. व्हाट अबाउट दिस? ये तो सेम रहेगा ना सर. 7 ऑब्जेक्ट से डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट से 7 डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स आई कैन अरेंज इन 7 फैक्टोरियल. सो आंसर विल बी व्हाट? 5 into 7 फैक्टोरियल. Okay, I hope you are getting. See next question. How many words can be formed using the letters of the word equation so that word starts with vowel and ends with consonant? This is a very interesting question. कुछ फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहे हो क्या? नहीं. वॉवेल के साथ स्टार्ट करना है एंड कॉन्सोनेंट के साथ एंड करना है. वी ऑलरेडी फाउंड आउट वॉवेल्स E, U, A, I, O, N. Consonants are Q, T, N. These are the consonants. स्टार्ट पॉइंट है एंड पॉइंट है. ठीक है, बीच में कितने रहेंगे फिर? सो स्टार्टिंग का एक अल्फ़ाबेट है, एंड का एक अल्फ़ाबेट है. 2 अल्फ़ाबेट तो चले गए. आउट ऑफ 8 वी हैव यूज 2 अल्फ़ाबेट्स. बाकी के कितने? 6 अल्फ़ाबेट्स है. नाउ दीज 6 आर व्हाट? दीज 6 आर डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. इन 6 फैक्टोरियल वेज यू कैन अरेंज दीज नंबर्स. डेफिनेटली you can arrange these numbers in 6 distinct ways. Your number should start with vowel. How many vowels you have? 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, n nahi hai yahan pe. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 vowels we have here. How many? End with consonant. How many consonants we have? 3 consonants we have. So what will be our answer? 5 into 6 factorial into 3. This should be your answer. So which is nothing but 5 into 3 15, 15 into 6 factorial is nothing but 720. Okay, this should be your answer. Maybe it is coming to be 0 0 801. Okay, so once you understand the basic fundamental, okay, basic concept, this is very easy. Next, how many words can be formed using the letters of the word equation so that all vowels together? See, this is a some different question. Vowels always together चाहिए उनको. See how the questions are differing from each other. अभी इसमें vowels को साथ में चाहिए. See, mark this star mark. Whenever you want objects together, form a group. Form a group of those objects. Okay. So what I mean is vowels always together. So how many vowels we have seen here is E, U, A, I and O. इतने vowels है अपने पास. So क्या करना है? Now you want to form a word in which these letters should always be there. इनका एक खुद का ग्रुप बनाओ. Okay. So you form one group. E, U, A, I, O. You form one group. Suppose this is one group. And the remaining are Q, then T, then L. Okay. इन सब का एक टोटल ग्रुप हो गया. अभी इन सब का एक टोटल ग्रुप हो गया. See here how many total distinct objects we have now. Consider this is one group. Please understand this very carefully. Consider this one group, one distinct object. Consider this one distinct object. So एक, this is 1, this is 2, 3 and 4. Now we have total 4 distinct objects. Understanding? You have total 4 distinct objects. 4 distinct objects can be arranged in how many ways? 4 distinct objects can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. But this is what? This is a distinct group, but इसमें से ये U, A, I, O, these alphabets can be permit among themselves. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can be arranged themselves in 5 factorial ways. Okay, so in total what will be answer is your 5 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, let's try to explain one more time. So what I have told you is whenever you get this always together case, form a distinct group and consider that as a one object. So you will get as a E, U, A, I, O as one object. Okay, as one object. इधर गया भाई. Okay, let's start here. EU equation EQUA TION. So take this EUAIO as a single object. Okay. Then remaining are QTN as 3 distinct objects because as they are already distinct objects. Now total distinct objects, see here, these vowels always together can permit among themselves in 5 factorial ways. मतलब 5 factorial means what? ये EU ए आई ओ भी रह सकता है, और यू ई ए आई ओ भी हो सकता है, और ए आई ओ ई यू भी हो सकता है. These cases we are considering in these 5 factorial ways. Okay, but if you consider this whole thing, ये एक खुद ऑब्जेक्ट है, 2 3 4, so total 4 objects can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. So the total final answer is what? 5 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay, if you have any doubts, please ask anytime. Next question: how many words can be formed using the letters of the word Indraprasth? Now see, now we are looking at our objects of n are same. First of all, first count the number of letters we have here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So we have total 12 alphabets here in Indraprasth. Repetition, repetition. I single time, N single time, D single time, R, R two times है, R is twice, R and R. A, 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 A is 3 times, A is 3 times, P single, S single, T single, H single. Okay, so सिर्फ R and A are repeating. Now how many words you can form using the letters of the word Indraprasth? Simple करना है. First of all, consider, count the numbers as it is. So total there are total 12 numbers. So write down 12 factorial. So 12 distinct objects can be arranged in 12 factorial ways. So 12 factorial. But if you consider R and A has repeated, so in these 12 factors we have counted the alphabets repeated twice or thrice. So we have to remove that. So what to do? Just divide by the number of repeating factorials. So R कितने बार repeat हुआ है? 2 बार. So divide by 2 factorial. A कितनी बार repeat हुआ है? 3 बार. So divide by 3 factorial. Okay. So this is your final answer. कुछ नहीं करना है. क्या करना है? इंद्रप्रस्थ बोला है. So just count the letters. Write down the 12 factorial. Okay. बाद में कौन कौन रिपीट हुआ है उनका सबका कितनी बार रिपीट हुआ है उसका फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड कर दो. आर, दिस वाज फॉर आर एंड दिस वाज फॉर ए. सपोज कोई अगर आय रहता वहाँ पे 4 बार रिपीट होता तो 4 फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड करना है. सो आर रिपीट हुआ है तो उसका 2 फैक्टोरियल आ गया. ए डिवाइड रिपीट हुआ है उसका 3 फैक्टोरियल लिखना है. सो दिस इज माय फाइनल आंसर. नेक्स्ट, the number of words can be formed from the letters of the word Indraprasth when vowels are never separated. Vowels are never separated मतलब vowels are always together. Never separated means what? Always together. Yes, together वाला case है. What to do when together case is there? क्या करना है? Group form करना है ना. So form one group. Vowels, first find out vowels कौन कौन है वहाँ पे. Vowels are I, A, A, and A. These are the vowels we have. Okay. So vowels are always together. मतलब क्या करना है? Together case means what? You have to form a group. So I, A का एक group हो गया. बाकी कितने हैं बचे? So 4. So out of 12 we have used form a group of 4. So the total remaining are 8 letters. And in these 8 letters, do we have any repetition? In these 8 letters, we have R twice. See here, 8 remaining है. So how many total distinct objects you have? Consider this as one distinct object 1. And यहाँ पे 8. So total we have 9 distinct objects. समझ में आ रहा है? So total we have 9 distinct objects. But in this 8 डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स, ये ना आर है ना सर, डबल हो गया है ना, सो 8 उसको, ओके, तो वो आर ना जो ट्वाइस उसको निकालना पड़ेगा ना, ओके. So see here once again we'll see. So total we have vowels as A, so one group, and the remaining 8 words, 8 letters are there. Okay. So see here this group can be arranged in how many ways? यहाँ पे टोटल कितने 4 डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं. एज्यूम दे आर द डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स, सो 4 फैक्टोरियल, बट उसमें से ए 3 बार रिपीट हुआ है, सो डिवाइडेड बाय 3 फैक्टोरियल. ओके, मतलब 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial, these are the total number of permutations you will get in this group. But if you consider total, what you will get, there is 1 group, distinct group, and 8, 1 plus 8 is 9 distinct groups we have, so 9 factorial. But in this you have r and r double, so divided by 2 factorial. So at the end what you will get, answer is what, multiplication. So answer is what, 4 factorial by 3 factorial into 9 factorial by 2 factorial. This is our final answer. Okay, so if you don't understand, please watch this video again. Still if you have doubts, post your doubt. Next, how many words can be formed using the letters of the word assassination? क्या करना है? First of all, count the letters. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So we have total 13 letters. So 13 factorial आएगा, divided by, अभी कौन कौन रिपीट हो रहा है? Do we have repetitions here? Yes, definitely. कौन कौन रिपीट है? A रिपीट हो रहा है 1 2 3 times. S रिपीट हो रहा है 1 2 3 4 times. Do we have I repetition? Yes, I रिपीट हो रहा है, I is repeating twice, N is repeating twice, T O नहीं, no repetition. Okay, so 13 factorial divided by repeating factors. So this A is 3 times, so 3 factorial. Then we have S 4 times, so 4 factorial. Then we have I 2 times, 2 factorial. Then N is 2 times, again 2 factorial. Okay, I hope you are getting. How many words can be formed using the letters of the word assassination? So this is the number of words we can form. So 13 factorial divided by, this is for A, this is for S, then I, then N. जितना भी numbers, sorry, letters repeat हो रहे हैं उन सबको divide करना है. Next, how many words can be formed using the letters of the word assassination? So that S together रहना चाहिए, सब S को together रहना चाहिए. Together means again form one group. इन चारों का एक group हो गया. How many ways you can arrange these 4s? 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 4 distinct objects divided by 4 identical objects. Okay, 13 में से 4 गए, तो बाकी कितने सर? 9. So we have total 9 remaining objects. So total if you consider, total we have 10 distinct objects. So 10 distinct objects. Okay, in this 9, what is repeating? A repeated thrice. Okay, I repeated twice, N repeated twice. So 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So what is your final answer then? This is coming to be 1 only. Okay, so 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This is my final answer. Next, the number of words which can be formed from the letters of the word maximum if 2 consonants cannot occur together. Never together case है. So thumb rule again, this is the again most important condition that consonants cannot occur together means what? No together. No together कैसे? No together case means no two consonants, मतलब 3 consonants हो सकते हैं क्या साथ में? मैक्सिमम में कौन कौन consonants है? Suppose vowels, we will have vowels A, I, U and consonants are M, X. M is 3 times and X is 1 time. Okay. Vowels A, I, U, consonants M 3 times है and X is 1 times. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total we have 7 letters in the word maximum. If two consonants cannot occur together, no together case means what? Thumb rule is alternate arrangement. Alternate arrangement करना है इसको. Alternate arrangement like this. See what is alternate arrangement means. So you have total 7 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No two consonants cannot occur together. Consonants को साथ में नहीं चाहिए तो alternate position में first डाल दो vowels को. So you have the positions for the vowels like this. यहाँ पे A, यहाँ पे I and यहाँ पे U. You can choose any positions. So in how many ways you can choose any positions for these vowels? So 3 different objects or 3 different vowels you have. So those 3 vowels can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. I hope you understand this. Means यहाँ पे I आ सकता है A U, U A I, कैसे भी आ सकता है. So these 3 different vowels I am arranging in 3 factorial ways. Okay. कॉन्सोनेंट्स नेवर टुगेदर मीन्स व्हाट? 2 कॉन्सोनेंट्स के बीच में एक वावेल होना चाहिए. दिस इज द केस. 2 कॉन्सोनेंट्स के बीच में एक वावेल होना चाहिए. नाउ सी हियर आई कैन यूज हियर एम, एम, एक्स, एम. सी द कंडीशन इज गेटिंग सेटिस्फाइड. यस और नो? नो टू कॉन्सोनेंट्स आर टुगेदर. सी 2 कॉन्सोनेंट्स के बीच में एक वावेल. दे आर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग लाइक दिस. ये कॉन्सोनेंट साथ में, ये कॉन्सोनेंट साथ में नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. ओके. सो thumb rule is what? Whenever they say not together means always go for the alternate arrangement. Okay. So we get 7 positions. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 positions. First arrange. कॉन्सोनेंट्स बोला है तो अपोजिट पार्टी को अरेंज करना है पहला. कॉन्सोनेंट्स बोला है तो अपोजिट पार्टी. बॉयज बोला है तो गर्ल्स को अरेंज करना है. ठीक है. सो कॉन्सोनेंट्स बोला है तो पहला ए, आई एंड यू. 3 distinct consonants can be arranged in 3 distinct ways, 3 factorial ways. So 3 factorial ways. Now consonants कितने हैं? M 3 times है and X 1 time है. So 4 consonants we have and we have 4 positions 1 2 3 and 4. Now these 4 consonants can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Okay. So what is your answer is? Final answer is 3 factorial and 4 factorial. So do we have any repetition there? If yes, remove that repetition. How you remove? Divide by the repetition factor, factorial. So in these consonants you have M thrice. So divide this by 3 factorial. Okay. So what will be your answer is 4 factorial only. This factorial is of because for thrice M's. Okay. So your final answer is what? 3 factorial cancel. Your final answer is 4 factorial. Next. What is the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word banana so that no two N appear together? अभी 2 N को साथ में नहीं चाहिए. No 2 N appear together. No together means what? Alternate arrangement. No together means what? Alternate arrangement. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So B कितने टाइम? One time. A thrice. N twice. So we have 6 positions. 1 2 3 4 5 6 positions we have. No to n appear together बोला है. n को बोला है तो opposite कौन है? बाकी के n को छोड़ के उनको पहले arrange कर दो. Okay. So you will have, you arrange B, you arrange B, B, then A, and then A. See here, no two n's appear together. Once you give these positions, respective positions to the a's and b's, 1 2 3, these four can be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial divided by, repetition hai kuch, yes, a appeared 3 times, so 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Okay, now you have used these letters. अभी n1 एंड n2 दो n's बाकी है. जब भी आप पहला n उठाओगे, हाउ मेनी प्लेसेस यू आर हैविंग फॉर n1? 1 1 2 3 4 5 places you have. Means for n1 you have 5 places. Suppose you have used n1 at this position. For n2 how many places you have? 1 2 3 4. n2 4. Okay, so this is my final answer, that is 4 factorial. ये तीन किधर से है? This is 3 factorial, sorry, this is 3 factorial is because of this a's. Okay, n को नॉट टुगेदर बोलते हैं, n को छोड़ के बाकी के सबको अरेंज किया है, और जितने भी बाकी की पोजीशंस है वो सब मुझे n को देना है. सो आउट ऑफ दिस 1 2 3 4 5, out of these 5 I want to have only 2. So you can see, you can have this false result, which is nothing but 5 into 4. Okay, so please do not, I suggest not to use formula because those are very confusing. Once the basic concept is clear, you don't require formulas. Okay, so what is final answer is 4 factorial by 3 factorial into 5 into 4. So actually this is 3 factorial, 3 factorial answer 4 4 25 20 चौक 80. So total is 80. And as, yes, sorry, as this n1 and n2 is repeating, these n1 and n1 both are repeating, so that also we have to remove here. That n and n also we have to remove, so your answer is 40, sorry. Okay, so the final answer is 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 into 4 divided by 2. This 2 is for A and these 3 is for N. Okay, so I hope it is clear now. Next, how many words can be formed from the letters of the word machine so that the vowels occur only at the odd places? Okay, so this is again very good and very popular condition. Only odd places. Machine में कितने places है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have total 7 places. So let's draw 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 places. Odd places means what? 1 3 5 and 7. These are the odd places, and these are the even places. ये even places है. Even and odd. Okay, so we require only odd places, so that vowels को odd places में जाना है. So how many vowels we have? Vowels 1 A, I and E. A, I and E, these are the vowels we have. Consonants बाकी के 4. Do we have any repetition? M A, no repetition. Okay, So see here, for these one three vowels we have four positions. So if you pick first vowel, how many positions it is having? For A you will see four positions, for I you will see three positions, and for E you will see only two positions. Okay, so 4 into 3 into 2 into, now once 1 2 3 any of 3 out of these 4 odd places failed, how many places are remaining? 4 places are remaining, because you have filled this 4, sorry 3, and out of 7 you filled this 3, the remaining are 4. So these 4 can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. I hope you are getting. So Charitrikam 12 12 दूनी 24, and this is again 24 24 24 is nothing but 5 7 6. Okay, so odd position is nothing but 1 2 3 4. ऐसा नहीं कि चारों के चारों फिल करना है, नहीं, तीन है ना. So out of these 4 odd places you can use any 3 places. You can use 1 2 and these 3 places, or you can use this and these 3 places. Okay, so using this calculation we are using 3 positions out of these 4, which is nothing but 4p3. Okay, please focus on the concept, not on the formula. Okay, when you pick A, when you pick first vowel you will see 4 positions, 1 2 3 4 positions. Then for the second you will see 3, for the third you will see 2. Once you fix these vowels we have to fix the consonants remaining. Okay, so final answer 576. Okay, so in the next fun class we are going to cover circular permutations. So if you have not seen these two, please see and try to solve the activities I have given over there. And if you are perfect in the first video, it will be very helpful in the second. If you are very perfect in these two videos, it will be very helpful in the third videos. And this is where most of the students get very confused. Okay, so activity of this class is, these are the 5 questions you have to solve. If you have any doubts, please post, and if you solve these questions, please post your answers. Thank you.